Let's do some cooking. Let me show you how to do some arroz con leches or rice milk soup. For this recipe, you will need an olla or a caldero, but any pot with a lid will do. 1 cup of medium grain rice. A brand that I love to use is the Asian Botan due to its starch content. 1.5 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of salt, a small pot, 2 cups of milk, preferably whole, but you can use any other milk, skim milk, half a milk, 2%, whatever you like. 1 tablespoon of sugar or to taste, but that's optional. A lot of fun. I love to do mine without the sugar. We're gonna start by soaking the rice in cold water for washing. We're gonna repeat this step for about 3 times. We're gonna wash it till the water almost come clear, but not that much because we wanna keep a little bit of the starch in that rice so when we cook it, it will stick. After we're done washing the rice, we're gonna start heating the caldero or the olla. I'm gonna start adding the oil and then the salt. Then we pour the rice in the caldero. The caldero doesn't have to be big, but at least that it can hold between 2 to 3 quarts. Then we add the 1.5 cup of water and we start boiling and stirring it. We're gonna start cooking the rice by boiling it and stirring it constantly, okay? We're gonna watch that the water start evaporating and stir more and stir more. Continue stirring the rice, mixing the oil and the salt, and help the water evaporate. Stir it till the water evaporates and reduce the heat to low and cover it. Don't uncover it till 10 more minutes. After 10 minutes in low, uncover the rice to check and stir. By stirring the rice, you will help distribute the heat to achieve a uniform cooking. After cooking the rice, take a cup of the cooked rice and place it on a pot. Heat in high. Add the 2 cups of milk. Sugar in this moment is optional. You're gonna start boiling it for 10 to 20 minutes while moving the rice with a wooden spoon. We're gonna continue stirring the rice with the milk for over 10 to 20 minutes. The idea is that we're cooking the milk with the rice and make sure that it doesn't stick to your pot. At this moment, I'm cooking the rice with the milk on a high heat. Soon, I'm gonna start moving it with a wooden spoon just to help the water in the milk evaporate. If the milk starts boiling too much, lift your pot so it doesn't spill over. And keep on stirring. Once the water of the milk starts to evaporate, I'm gonna change my heat from high to medium and continue stirring it. If I feel that the milk is gonna spill out of the pot, I will lift the pot just to make sure that that doesn't happen. Once the water of the milk starts to evaporate, the texture of the milk with the rice is gonna start changing. It's gonna be a little bit harder, like a cheesy type of sauce. This is what we're looking for in this type of recipe. Once the milk starts to thicken with a more hard consistency like a cheese sauce, you're almost done there. You're there. You're looking for a cheesy, creamy type sauce texture. Thick. When you're there, you're done. Remove from the heat and serve nice and hot. This is the classic recipe for rice and milk soup, also known as milk soup by some of the locals in Puerto Rico. In Puerto Rico, we call it sopa de arroz con leche. Our grannies used to prepare it for us. I hope you like it and bring memories if you had it before. Buen provecho and thanks for watching.